Masitikas dyan, masitikas dyan.
Masitikas, 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 ahu, aha, ahu, aha, ahu, ha!
Good afternoon, sir, ma'am. My name is Queenie Valia. I'm from Imus, Cavite. Graduated Bachelor of Science in Criminology at San Sebastian College, Recoleta, Cavite po. And my motto is, wag kang wag kang sumuko kung ito talaga yung pangarap mo, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is Kayceline Bisuligan from Negros Oriental. I am a product of Negros Oriental State University by ECT, and my motto is try until you succeed. Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am Rubian Mahmoud from Palawan. I graduated Marine Transportation. My motto is in life is pag may tinanim, may aanihin.
Tinanim mo, ikaw.
Good afternoon, sir, ma'am. I'm Patrolman Angelo Habingar. I'm graduated at Metro Manila College from Quezon City. My motto in life, pag may nilaga, may sabaw.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. Ako po si Patrolman Aaron Rafael Polea, Batang Kangkalu. Graduate ako ng World City Colleges, North Manila. Ang kinuha kong kurso ay Bachelor of Science in Psychology. Isa rin akong registered psychometrician. Nagpulis ako dahil fascinated ako sa human behavior pati sa law enforcement. At ang motto ko sa buhay ay kahit anong problema dumaan, huwag kang magsasyabu.
Tama. Sir. Sir.
Baka ito.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. Ako po si Patrolman Romel Pigilino, ang taga Isabela, Negros Occidental. Ang course ko po ay Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and nakatira po ako sa Taytay, Rizal. Ang motto ko po is all is well.
All is well. Ikaw dahil pinakamatuligas.
Ayun, magandang tanghali sa lahat. Ako nga pala si Patrolman Ubinya Kim Aldrin, from Quezon City. Graduate ako sa Metro Manila College. Yun ang aking motto ay palagi kayo magsikap. Yun lang. Thank you.